It is not 90 to this side. That's what I want to fix. Wow. 2 inches on the money. Little over 2 inches. Need something about there. Cool. Deforming the brass. Yeah, that's going to need a little bit of work. There's an edge to work with. So theoretically, that should then fit in between these. So 1/4 inch hole through brass. Okay, not even I'm that sadistic. Ow. Okay, one at a time then. 50.8. 50.6. So there you have it, infill. Now this is an interesting story. I have attempted to make this so far 3 times over the last 3 years. On the Can I Have It Facebook group, they do an auction, charity auction once a year, usually in November. And 3 years ago, I offered up a infill plane to someone who was buying a whole set of other tools. And the price went wild, and I said, great. And I started making an infill plane. And I really thought it would take me a month or 2 to do, and I completely failed at it. And I failed again, and I failed again. And finally I decided I'm gonna buy this kit from St. James Bay. And it's a very, very rough kit. Everything is very, very rough on there. But it has most of the hard work done and getting things close to it. Now, if I had a power tool shop doing a lot of this metalworking, this part doing the dovetailing, really wouldn't have been a problem. But I ran into a lot of issues doing that. So we're finally getting around to making this happen. And I'm hoping to have it done and I can ship it off to the winner finally after a few years. So stay tuned, we're gonna be doing more. Next time we're doing a video dedicated to making the handle and fitting that in and getting a good seat between those. And then we'll have one of actually riveting this whole thing together and building it up. And then we'll be doing a couple videos on actual function and use and what makes a infill plane really cool. So stay tuned. Lots more fun to come, and I'm really looking forward to seeing where this is going to go. So if you have any questions, comments, ideas, things I could have done better, let me know that down below. Also, if you want to have more information, I have a whole how-to channel where I went into this into detail. I'll leave links to that down below. And if you want to go even farther and really help out this channel and keep us going, then think about becoming one of these fantastic people. Those are the patrons on Patreon, and they, along with members and people who click the thank you button, you guys are the ones who keep us going. You keep the lights on and make everything happy. Thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about that, you know what to do. Links and all that down in the description. Thank you. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Brass and steel dovetails. In this particular application, they are very, very plain.